Okay, first we see this blank sheet of paper. My heart is beating already knowing that the Canson paper, which I've used all my life, is there and ready to work with me. So right away, I scribble some nonsense shapes on it just to get it ready for an adventurous journey. The very first part that I always get going around the eye area, that's where I want, around the eye area. And of utmost importance, I got to get it right. Not arty right, but artistically accurately right. All this so I don't have to correct later. Correcting is understood, but in my world, not overcorrecting. So go for the artistic accuracy, as you can see here. We're going into other features of the face. It looks rather basic. No flow or sense of subtle form yet. I'm getting the distance of mouth below nose, width of lips forming the cheeks, general hair layout. At this stage, I'm happily shaping the head and getting facial features laid out quite close to where they are in real life. Also note that the original background still lingers happily waiting for further markings from me. And here they are, a few brazen strokes into the background, as well as introducing a cool color. I'm quite sure whether the outside edges will lie. Braids, feathers, necklace are the beginning to take form, putting a few more confident strokes into her face. It's a confidence that grows over the years, but also happens during each piece as we see where it's going. Joy and concentration, jumping back and forth. More aggressive shapes laid into background, blues and purples, working them alongside the shaping of hair with braids. Remember, within the four borders, we have one work of art. I'm fine-tuning the features, softening some of the original strokes, adding slight warmth to the cheeks and lips, more detailing around nose and eyes. You see the brasher strokes surrounding with fussier work on the face, like details in a still life with the looser background strokes. Continuing to work out the very subtle details in the child's features. I always spend a great deal of time getting things right, knowing errors stick out terribly and ruin what could be a grand art piece. Making sure that the forms and values are spot on is where I'm going here. I know I keep talking about it, but it's so important. Any other way can cause trouble for the work as well as the artist's state of mind. Don't we know that? More color into the background. Color that I grab and lay in. This is a part I love, where I continue being aggressive and then fussy from one moment to the next. Yes, details of necklace and feathers need caring, but not nearly as much as the face. You can actually see different parts of my passion within this pastel. The face, the hair with braids, necklace, and background. Let me put it another way. You would see many different colorful sides to my character and not just one predictable personality. I think you understand that. My subconscious mind finally says to my conscious mind, okay, it's finished. The inner mind allows such intrusion, but will only go so far. Then, the end. That's when I walk away because I could stand there for hours looking for flaws. Well, you know. So I'll check later in the day or next morning. Then it's like seeing a friend. Not perfect, but has plenty of life spirit and unexpected original thoughts. So there are some of my artistic ways. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you down the road.